Alright, so it's another day of Vlogmas, and I'm at my familia yard, and I was supposed to do the intro here from yesterday, but I completely forget, so I'm just gonna do on the day after, so you can see what unfolded. Okay? No, this is it. Jesus Christ, look at all of this different food. Look at all of this. And then there's this, then there's this. The vegetables, oh, my vegetable are right here, so there is this, the whole of this. My gosh, I'm a planting over here, so. Mama, why you give him advertise? Alright, mommy, what is this that you prepared? Look at the heap of food that my mother has given me. Walk with through quick now. What are the things them here?
It's chicken ham.
Chicken ham, what else? Move fast.
Roast chicken.
Yeah. What else? What else?
Beef.
Roast beef.
Gongo rice. And rice.
Let's show if you look at yourself from the side, yeah.
Vegetables.
Alright, where you going, remember? So Roger over here. Roger, you feel like you can take it home? You feel like you can take it home? When I think you can take it home, you know. So who can eat off them dinner first without busting? Oh, one go, we have to go, one go. If you can't. And your mark, we're going to drink. Maybe you can go. And your mark, get set, go. One go. You can't reach the furthest. Minutes. See, by now, everything finished now, so who can reach the furthest by 8 o'clock?
Try to shift the food one.
Yeah, man, I want to settle up on my chest. I want to go dunk and go sit down water now. So try that now and I hit that.
Man, I can't bear drink this one. Big money, full.
No, man, don't do that.
Full man, a mental thing in the mind. You're full man.
I'm not full, man, I'm not full.
You're full man.
What if I space today?
Full man.
You see that?
Why I come like it, Dave, now move to rock school.
Just like easy.
Remember macaroni over there, so see me.
But the thing, you know, is who reach the furthest and you have to empty, you know. You just want to know so you make more of a headway than the other person.
Gone one meat so far.
Gone one meat too. 48 more to go. Alright, what time now? 7:42, I feel like me there already.
You chat me out, man, while you eat, man.
Tactics of the game, you know. Tactics you give up. Look into the camera and say that you have forfeited, you've given up. Your boss. Say it. Alright. Talk loud. People can hear.
This year, 2020 has not been my year with the competition. You understand? It's obvious that this man right here is the champion for this year. Last year was a bit weak, and the other year was like he wasn't going on with anything, but he
retain the title. Get it back. Now retain it. Now come on, get back the title.
He worked hard for this one. He came here very hungry. And I went out on the road, unfortunately, and have
no, we don't want you
a little to drink.
We don't want you to drink soup before you reach it.
No, I had a little to drink and stuff, and I got a little taste of mouth at the young lady's house. But
wait, they taste something from a young lady?
He has been training with the
I don't know when I chat about this.
Eat-a-thon. He has been training. The top eatist right now. He has been training.
Oh, yeah, smell that.
And we have to give him this.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, well,
next year, 2021 will be my year.
Alright, show the video now, because the video don't know. Do the little like, share, comment.
So remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Is it? big up on yourself. Dirty Berry Show. You can locate him also dirtyberryshow@gmail.com if you want a promo video. Any of them something. So big up on yourself. Money Eastside. Oh, Dirty Berry.
Wait, Money Eastside?
Eastside.
Oh, East. Oh, East side. Okay. Alright, that's it. Peace out.